Now that you are aware of the four methods, that is substitution method, elimination method, Cramer's rule and graphical method to solve the simultaneous linear equations, there are some special cases of simultaneous linear equations. Now what are these special cases? When the coefficients of variables in one equation are interchanged in the other equation, then such equations are solved in a different manner. Now what is that? Let's take one example. The two given equations are 23x minus 29y equals 98, and the second one is 29x minus 23y equals 110. Now in this, the coefficient of variables in one equation are interchanged in the other equation. That is, the coefficient of x, that is 23 in the first equation, is the coefficient of y in the second equation. Also, the coefficient of y in the first equation, that is 29, is the coefficient of x in the second equation. So now when such is the case, then such equations are solved as follows. Now let's mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now what is to be done is, first add equation 1 and 2. So you will get an equation, mark it as third equation. Now then subtract equation 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. The equation obtained, mark it as fourth equation. Now equation 3 and equation 4 is solved in order to get the value of x and y. Let's do it. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Now we are adding equation 1 and 2. So this gives 52x minus 52y equals 208. Now divide both the sides by 52. When you divide both the sides by 52, then it gives x minus y equals 4. So adding 1 and 2 gives equation 3. So this is the equation 3. It is obtained by dividing both the sides by 52. Now let us subtract. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. So I am writing the equations directly. This is equation 1. Now since we are subtracting, we are supposed to change the sign. Now 23x minus 29x gives minus 6x. Minus 29y plus 23y gives minus 6y. And 98 minus 110 gives minus 12. Now divide this equation both the sides by minus 6. So when you divide it by minus 6, the equation obtained is x plus y equals 2. So subtracting 2 from 1 gives an equation. So label it as, mark it as equation 4. Now you have equation 3 and equation 4. Now equation 3 and 4 are to be solved simultaneously to get the value of x and y. Equation 3 is x minus y equals 4 and equation 4 is x plus y equals 2. Now simply if you add these two equations, y gets eliminated and you can get the value of x. X equals 3. Now substitute x equals 3 in equation 3 or equation 4. So y equals minus 1. Hence x equals 3 and y equals minus 1 is the solution of this given equation. So this is how these special case simultaneous linear equations are solved. Let's solve some more examples.